top 3 lessons learned during the build.
Number 1. Everything takes longer than expected. Mistakes happen more frequently when you rush, so slow down and try to enjoy the process.
Number 2. Integrate the permaculture principle of stacking functions by designing for redundancies in case one element fails.
Number 3. Invite a friend to help share the cost of privileged suffering. Lastly, our favorite joke. I'm sorry for what I said while working on the van.
Some help with your van conversion? Well, check out our how-to guidebook available on Amazon, featuring instructions, cost comparisons, pros and cons, and much more. Thank you for watching and happy trails!